Whiteboard paint and circular design. How to upcycle old painted walls into new canvases. Whiteboard paint exemplifies circular design by offering a long-lasting, eco-friendly, and waste-free solution that supports sustainability, creativity, and collaboration among users in any venue where it's applied. Extending life cycles with whiteboard wall paint. Refresh old walls with whiteboard wall paint to extend their lifespan and reduce unnecessary renovation waste. Renovating walls in a home, school, or business can produce a great deal of non-recyclable waste. Turning old surfaces into writable assets. Transform existing walls into functional, writable spaces using whiteboard wall coatings. The magic of whiteboard paint lies in its ability to convert even the most drab and unused portions of a room into highly functional, writable assets. Reducing waste through whiteboard paint renewal. Instead of replacing them entirely, recoat or restore old writable walls or traditional whiteboards with premium whiteboard paint. Designing for a circular office environment. Whiteboard paint helps create adaptable, reusable surfaces that embody circular design principles. By integrating these standards into the workplace, offices can reduce waste and promote sustainable use of space and resources. Minimizing environmental impact with non-toxic whiteboard coatings. Eco-friendly whiteboard paint supports sustainable office goals by emitting virtually no VOCs, helping to protect both human health and the environment. Elevate any space with eco-friendly whiteboard paint, a stylish, sustainable upgrade that offers lasting value and endless creative possibilities. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coating specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoating.com.